Hello guys, this is Vignesh and this is the channel name Learn to Code with Vignesh. So this is my video tutorials on Android. So as you know, Android is a major demanded developers options. So you need to learn Android and get more freelancer works. So I have decided to work on a tutorial to give an tutorial for you guys. So in this tutorial my videos will be only for 5 minutes, so that I'll tell you only the basics, and I want you to search in internet and what are the things you can add extra to the design or anything the project you create. So my videos will be only for 5 minutes, every video. So every time when I give a video, at last there will be an activity for you to test your skills. So complete that test and paste your paste your photo of the activity on the comment sheet. So I think I can cover all the concept for the full Android course. So sorry for any inconvenience caused. So this is my first tutorial, so I may make mistakes in speaking, so please sorry for that. And so at last, stay connected and subscribe my channel and wait for my first video and learn. Bye.